was a function of form, had my set list all set, big plans for my world, but the best I could get was a pinprick. A needle-nosed dick, they shot me down. I got back in the game, but it wasn't the same. Wisdom you won't get in the place that I came from, the place that I came from, the place that I came from. It was driving me insane, it was driving me, and you heard me cry out, 'cause I screamed it so loud. And if you hadn't been there, I know you'd have been so proud. It's a double contraction, phonetically, fuck, but it sure sounds fine. Yeah, it sure sounds fine. I just needed some time, just give me some time to cry out. That's how I told them, it drew them away, it drew them away. But we're all okay tonight. And heard me cry out on that marvelous night. And they shouted right back, yes, they shouted right back. And they all went insane, yes, we all went insane. We cried out on that marvelous night. And we all did our best, 'cause it was all we could do. It was all we could do. It was all we could do. And the light shone down, we all did our best. Yes, we all did our best, just because it was all we could do.